Chris Menard here. Microsoft Copilot in Excel has got some new features. Let's dive into these right now. So I happened to catch this one yesterday. It was Saturday, May 2nd, 2026. I am in an Excel file on the desktop version. I'm in the Home tab where you land by default, and my Copilot icon is not up in the ribbon. So before I realized, something's wrong, Copilot icon is now in the bottom right corner in Excel, Word, and PowerPoint. Now, the reason for this, according to Microsoft, is you can now access Copilot regardless of what tab you're on. You don't have to be on the Home tab. So I actually like this feature right now. Another feature you have is Copilot will highlight or show you what it's adding or changing prior to doing it. So let's take a look at this exercise right here. I'm going to pull up Copilot. Let's just do a new chat. It is in editing mode, so I'm in edit with Copilot right now. What do you want to do? In this example, I want to take the difference between the invoice and the cost, and whatever dollar difference that is, divide by the invoice amount, that is the percentage difference. And then I want to use conditional formatting, and I'm going to only show rows that have a difference of 16% or higher. So let's put that in here. For every record that I have, take the difference between the invoice and the cost. If the difference is over 16%, I want that row to be highlighted in a yellow background. Make it a light yellow background. I'm going to go ahead and send this prompt off. I'm not sure if it's going to add 2 more columns or not, but we should see some purple box or purple rectangle showing what is getting updated. And we didn't. Can you go ahead and add 2 columns for the dollar difference and the percentage difference? There is the purplish background that I was discussing. It's showing me that it's adding something. And if you were only adding certain items, only those certain items would be in this. I like this feature right here. Let this finish up. By the way, in real life, I would have done this because this is basically my check figure to go make sure it highlighted the correct rows with the yellow background. If you don't need this, now you can come in here and delete it. Now, another feature that I happen to notice, when I pull Copilot back up again, I have turned on Anthropic in my admin center. So up at the top in Copilot, when you click on Auto, I've got GPT 5.4, 5.5, Claude Opus 4.6, and 4.7 in here. I could pick the model that I want to use, or I can just leave it on Auto. Thank you for your time. Hope you realize the Copilot icon is now in the bottom right corner, which right now I am loving, so I can get to it anywhere I want to. And again, that is for Word, PowerPoint, and Excel. Thank you so much.